Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going back to the roots of real barbecue, and trust me, this is something every grill lover should experience at least once. So imagine this, a weekend evening, friends or family around, and that smoky aroma of charcoal grilling filling the air. Pause for a second, that flavor. You just can't get it from gas grills. And that's exactly where the Weber Original Kettle 22-inch charcoal grill comes in. Now this is a classic, and when I say classic, I mean this design has stood the test of time for decades. Simple, but incredibly effective. Let's start with the cooking space. You get a 22-inch grate, which is perfect for grilling multiple burgers, steaks, or even a whole chicken at once. So whether it's a small gathering or a weekend barbecue, you're covered. Now here's something important, temperature control. This grill uses adjustable dampers, allowing you to control airflow and heat precisely. More air means higher heat, less air means slower cooking. Pause here, this is what gives you that authentic barbecue mastery. And cleaning? Honestly, one of the easiest parts. The one-touch cleaning system lets you sweep ash into a removable catcher with minimal effort. No mess, no hassle. Another thing I really like, durability. The porcelain enameled lid and bowl retain heat efficiently and resist rust and peeling. So this isn't just a purchase, it's an investment for years of grilling. Now let's be real, this is charcoal grilling. It takes a bit more time and skill compared to gas grills. But the flavor? Absolutely worth it. Also, portability is decent. It has wheels, so you can move it around your backyard or patio without trouble. So yeah, if you're someone who values authentic smoky flavor, enjoys the grilling process, and wants a reliable, long-lasting barbecue grill, this might be exactly what you need. Let me know in the comments, are you team charcoal or team gas?